Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys the top specs on YFZ 450 engine for the caps for the camshaft. Okay, we're talking about this boat right here. So you need to go 7.2 foot per pound or 10 Newton meters. That's for our 2005 engine. That's what we found online, but always check your manuals first. Okay, so we don't have one in a pound per feet per pound, but we have inch per pound. So right now I use the online conversion and it gets to be 86.5. okay, so we'll set it at that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead guys. Those are with an 8mm, and if you're not careful you can strip the thread out of those, so you have to be following the specs on that, otherwise you need a new head. Okay. Alright, so this one is ready. Next we go in a cross pattern, diagonal. Okay, and this, okay, watch the wrench there. It's not a click type, it's kind of like the one that lets go here. Okay, that's it, right there. Then we will do this one here. You'll find all kind of different torque wrenches. Okay, this is it. You can feel the handle moves. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we need to do the other one, the intake cap as well. Okay, that's it. Because if you go too much, it's not good. It's aluminum head, you pull the thread, and you either need to put quite a bit of time and money to repair the head or get a new one, which could be very costly, as you know. So those are the torque specs guys, just wanted to share them with you, but of course check the manual for yours. Always get the manual and check yours, because it might differ if you have something different, so you never know. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.